People of the internet, today we are doing the Queen of Hearts for our second installment of the villain series. So I'm not going to talk very long, but I am super excited. So let's get going. Okay, so first off we have to make some hearts. So I'm going to put together this duct tape and this heart to make some fun little taped hearts to draw around. But before we do that, I'm going to take the NYX Professional eyebrow pencil and map out where my heart-shaped face will be and where my neck collar, Queen of Hearts evil collar thing will be. So after I mark that out, I'm going to place my duct taped hearts where I would like them. I really wanted this neck collar to be kind of a black and white striped look with the red hearts around them. And now I'm going to make these stripes using this eyebrow pencil as well. Using 3 different foundations today. I'm going to be using the NYX Drop Foundation, as well as this LA Girl white foundation to kind of mix in to make my face look really pale and white. So I'm going to mix together those 2 foundations and see how white it is. Awesome. So after I do that, I'm going to go in with the Morphe 8L contour palette and use those bottom 2 shades. Come on, Alyssa, get it together. Use those bottom 2 shades and just contour out my cheekbones within the heart-shaped areas. I'm also going to use those brown shades as a transition shade on my eyelids. And, of course, my camera did not record this part. I sincerely apologize, but I'm going to walk you through the steps. So I took the NYX Wonder Stick and carved out the heart shape around my face to really make that stand out. And then I used the Mehron Black Paradise paint on my eyebrows and to make that fun little heart on my cheek. I took my very dirty Jaclyn Hill palette and used the teal shades at the very bottom on my eyelids. I also used that brown shade as a transition shade in my crease. And then I used the NYX Butter Lipstick on my lips. It is a wonderful brick red lip. Get you some of that. Alright, so now I'm going to use the white highlight shade in that Morphe contour palette and highlight the high points of my face, like my nose, above my eyebrows, and my cheekbones. Next, we get to work on the color, the best part of this look. Taking the Mehron Paradise paint and filling in all of the white parts first. I want the whites to be on the sections where the hearts are so we can put the red on top of that later. And then I'm going to go in with the Black Paradise paint by Mehron and fill in the rest and outline all around my collar in black. Final step is I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and using those, those reds. There we go. Don't know which fingers I want to use. I'm going to be taking those reds and a fluffy brush and outlining the bits of my duct taped hearts so that way they have some kind of finesse around them. And then look at that. When you take it off, it looks like amazingness. Props to Mikey from Glam and Gore for this idea. I loved the way that this turned out. It was awesome. So now that that is done, I'm going to go put on some eyelashes and my wig and the rest of my costume, and I will be right back. Okay, so that was my Queen of Hearts inspired makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. This is just a red wig I got off Amazon that I bustled up and pinned like a million times, and I got the costume pieces from Party City. And again, I am so sorry for not filming that part. I cannot believe I did not record that part. But live and you learn. We can all do some funny things sometimes. But I hope that you guys truly enjoyed this video and the second installment to the villain series. Make sure and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and go follow me on all social media platforms. Or off with your head. Bye.